Welcome to konradinindustrie TV. We're here at the SPS IPC trials, and I'm glad to welcome Goldenberg, Director of Marketing and Strategy with Elmo Motion Control. Or Elmo, one of the exhibitors here at the show. From your point of view, what is the innovation that Elmo brings into the world of automation?
Okay. Well, Elmo is a manufacturer of high precision, high power density servo drives, and servo drives are an important part of all automation and all factories. But what Elmo does differently is the ability to take a whole world of multi-axis control, high precision multi-axis control, and actually put it into a very small devices, some of the world's most highest power density servo drives. And it really the innovation kind of goes beyond just doing motion. It's about high power density, it's about facilitating safety, it's about reducing the size of our customer's machine because of the small size of the drives. So our innovation really lies in the ability to take a lot of great things and put them into really compact servo drives and help our customers in many different ways.
And you're nominated for the Automation Award, is that right?
That's right, yeah, we are very excited. This year at SPS we are nominated for a Top Product Award with the double gold Twitter. It's actually the world's smallest, most powerful servo drive, capable of delivering 160 amps of continuous current, over 10 kilowatts of power, but it really goes beyond just the power. It's a top servo drive for high precision applications. It features EtherCAT, STO, safety, functionality, a lot of motion algorithms. It's a revolutionary product in the world of servo and motion, and we are very excited about this nomination.
So what is Elmo is talking about or focusing on is advanced servo technology, and what does that mean? How does that go beyond just facilitating motion?
Well, like I said, the role today of servo drive goes way beyond just doing motion. Today, servo drives are facilitating safety. Things like functional safety are helping with monitoring safe processes within the machine. They're helping with the protection of the goods and the machines themselves and the humans. We live in a collaborative world, so machines are collaborating with humans, and it's the role of the servo drives to actually facilitate that safety. Another significant role that people may not think about is that a servo drive, a small servo drive that can be mounted inside of the machine, away from the cabinet, can reduce the cables, can reduce some of the connectors, reduce cable carriers, and really help customers reduce the size of their machines, eliminate some of these electrical cabinets.
Well, there are big companies, but also small and medium-sized companies. What can a small or how can a small or mid-sized robotics company stay competitive against, let's say, larger automation companies?
Yeah, so we live in an interesting world now. We have we are seeing a lot of small to medium-sized robotic companies. It's no longer just the ABBs and the KUKAs of the world. We have a lot of small companies that are making extremely innovative robotics in consumer robotics, warehouse robotics, medical robotics, and these young companies are turning to servo drive companies not only for high precision motion requirements, but also they're turning to us to help them with the simplicity of implementation. They're contacting us to help them reduce their time to market. So it's not just about how you create the motion, but it's about how simple it is to implement that motion. And a company like Elmo provides a lot of tools, a lot of softwares to help with the implementation of motion.
So in general, from your point of view, what is Elmo's competitive edge?
So like I said in the beginning, we have some of the world's highest power density servo drives. We're talking about a tiny little device, as you can see here, that has 10 kilowatts of power, over 160 amps of continuous current. So we really excel where a lot of power is needed in compact spaces. But I would say the number one aspect that we have is the motion ability, the ability to do servo really, really well. And we find ourselves in applications where the customers want to get more out of their machines. They may want to go faster, more accurately, they want to get a higher throughput. This is the applications where we really excel, getting more out of the customer's existing machines, out of their existing mechanics.
A few words to the show here. How important is the SPS IPC drives to Elmo?
So Elmo has been participating in the SPS IPC drives in Germany for many, many years. We think this is one of the greatest shows in the world. All of our friends from around the world are here. We keep meeting new customers, new leads in this show, and it's just a great event to be a part of every single year.
So great, thank you for this interview. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you very much.